Ever spent hours hunting for the perfect mechanical keyboard? One that promises buttery typing, rock-solid build, switchable modes, epic battery life, and customizable RGB? Today we're diving deep into the EPOMAKER TH99 Tri-Mode Wireless Mechanical Keyboard to see if it earns its hype or leaves you wanting more. I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect, and in the next few minutes I'll give you every honest detail you need to decide. Should you buy the TH99 or walk away? Welcome back to the Inspect Aspect, where we deliver the most authentic and detailed tech reviews on YouTube. If you're new here, I'm Brian, and I'm all about transparency. No fluff, no hidden agendas. Today's focus is the EPOMAKER TH99, a tri-mode wireless mechanical keyboard that claims to blend a custom gasket mount structure, hot-swappable switches, a full numpad, and a massive $8,000 mAh battery into one sleek package. Over the next few sections, I'll cover 5 core areas: design and build quality, layout and productivity, connectivity and battery life, gaming performance, and the all-important typing sound and feel. We'll weigh the pros and cons, highlight any quirks, and by the end, I'll give you my verdict on the Inspect Aspect scale. Let's get started. First up, design and build quality. Right out of the box, the TH99 feels substantial, tipping the scales at over 1 kilonewton. 4 silicone pads under the base keep it locked in place on your desk, minimizing shuffle when you're in the middle of a heated gaming session or typing spree. The exterior is a sharp matte black finish, accented by south-facing RGB LEDs beneath each keycap. Internally, EPOMAKER uses a gasket mount structure with 5 layers of sound dampening materials, including a pour-on sandwich pad, XP switch pad, and silicone layers, to give you that coveted creamy thock. Pros? It's solid, premium feeling, and the typing feedback is satisfyingly dampened. Cons? If you prefer a more rigid plate mount feel, the slight flex may take a bit to get used to. Also, the profile is on the taller side, so if you're a low-profile enthusiast, consider adding a wrist rest to avoid wrist strain. Overall, the build screams quality, but it's not for everyone's taste. Next, let's talk layout and productivity. The TH99 uses an innovative compact 1800 layout, packing a full numpad and 8 separate function keys into a smaller footprint than a standard full-size board. It achieves this by reducing bezel size and using a highly efficient key arrangement. All keycaps are dye-sublimated, grease-resistant PBT, so legends stay sharp even after months of heavy use. Cherry profile keycaps enhance ergonomics, and you get a 2-stage adjustable kickstand for personalized typing angles. Pros here include excellent typing comfort, durable keycaps, and true full-size functionality without the wasted space. On the downside, if you're accustomed to a conventional TKL or full-size layout, there's a bit of a learning curve for shortcuts and fen combos to access print screen, home, and other keys. But once you adapt, the workflow boost is real. It makes number crunching, data entry, and multitasking a breeze. Moving on to connectivity and battery life, the TH99 plays in 3 modes: wired USB-C, 2.4 GHz dongle, and Bluetooth 5.0. The onboard toggle switch lets you jump between Windows and Mac layouts with a single press, and pairing devices is quick and intuitive. With RGB off, that hefty 8,000 mAh battery claims up to 800 hours of runtime, enough to last months between charges. Even with lighting on, expect 40-60 hours depending on brightness. Latency is excellent: 2 mirrors in wired mode, 2.5 mirrors in 2.4 GHz, and under 10 mirrors on Bluetooth for basic typing tasks. Pros? Flexibility across PC, Mac, tablet, and even some controllers, plus a marathon-length battery. Cons? RGB on max brightness cuts runtime significantly, and the dongle can be easy to misplace. If you rely heavily on lighting effects, you'll be recharging more often. But for everyday use with moderate backlighting, the battery performance is outstanding. Now on to gaming performance and customization. The TH99 boasts hot-swappable linear switches, lubed and tuned right out of the box, so you can swap them for tactile or clicky alternatives without soldering. It supports NKRO and anti-ghosting on all keys, with a 1000 Hz polling rate in wired mode. The keyboard software allows onboard macro programming and per-key RGB customization, and it even lets you remap function keys for quick in-game commands. Pros: competitive-grade responsiveness, near-instant input recognition, and deep customizability. Cons: the companion software can be a bit clunky on first launch, and there's no onboard memory slot for multiple profiles. So if you switch between setups often, you'll need to reconnect to your PC software. Still, once configured, your macros and lighting profiles stick until you overwrite them, making the TH99 a reliable gaming ally. Finally, let's dive into the typing sound and feel. The TH99's gasket mount design delivers a gentle, flexible keystroke that's quieter than traditional plate mount boards. Inside, you get 5 layers of sound-absorbing materials, including additional pet pads, so the sound profile is a balanced thock rather than a sharp clack. Stabilizers are pre-lubed, reducing rattle on larger keys, and the linear switches offer a smooth, consistent travel. Pros: you get a premium ASMR-style typing experience that won't disturb roommates or coworkers. Cons: if you're a fan of heavy, clicky feedback, like cherry blue switches, the TH99's linear, muted sound might feel too subdued. Ultimately, it's one of the best creamy keyboards you'll try, especially if you value a refined, desktop-friendly acoustics. All right, time for the Inspect Aspect Scale. I'm giving the EPOMAKER TH99 an 8.5 out of 10. Here's why. It nails build quality, battery life, and typing comfort with its gasket mount design and robust materials. The tri-mode connectivity and compact 1800 layout are standout features for both gamers and professionals. On the flip side, the flexi typing feel won't suit lovers of rigid plates, and the software could use a usability overhaul. If you want a premium-feeling, versatile keyboard with long battery life and satisfying acoustics, the TH99 is a strong contender. But if you crave a click-clack, rock-solid board, or need frequent profile switching without software, you might explore other options. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more unbiased insights. Don't forget to check the link on screen and in the description for the best prices and deals on the TH99. I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect. See you next time.